What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to a brand new video. So I am going to clean my room today. It is a total mess. All my furnitures are black and they attract so much dust. It is so not funny. And it's spring, so this is my spring cleaning right now, because guess what, the mood kicking, so I'm like, I'm gonna clean my room. This is not something that I do very often, to be honest with you. Okay, I don't do this quite often. So the mood kick in, so I'm gonna clean my room. I'm gonna take down my blind and put up light blackout curtains. So stick around in this video and watch me do my thing.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
So this is the finishing look of my bedroom. As you can see here, my furniture, they're very shiny, they're black, so they attract a lot of dust. Let me tell you, the dust, when it comes to dust and these furniture, I can tell you about it. Okay, so let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoy watching this video. Also remember to like, comment and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Also, remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend about my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.
As you fade away,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time